Hello, I'd like a table for two, please.
Hello, happy na to. Mini iding sa boy kat.
Hello. I'd like a table for two, please.
A bottle of red wine, please.
Happy na to. Why san tall kat.
A bottle of red wine, please.
May I see the menu, please?
Happy na to na van zona sa yin teo ken.
May I see the menu, please?
I'll meet you at the restaurant at 8 o'clock.
Na gyadin Ansai nangong muning.
I'll meet you at the restaurant at 8 o'clock.
2 beers, please.
Piani happy na to.
2 beers, please.
I'd like the lunch special, please.
Ken happy na to. Lunch special running.
I'd like the lunch special, please.
A bottle of sparkling water, please.
Happy na to. Sparkling water tall kat.
A bottle of sparkling water, please.
I am a vegetarian.
Ken ante singabik ne.
I'm a vegetarian.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Kay mi peto kite king.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Do you have a high chair for our baby?
Kana waring to nasang kat na neyam.
Do you have a high chair for our baby?
May I see the wine list, please?
Na why sa yin teo happy na to ka ente dia.
May I see the wine list, please?
What do you recommend?
Bang neleong day sak na.
What do you recommend?
May I have the check, please?
Check ka nga te dia happy na to.
May I have the check, please?
Would you warm up this baby food, please?
I naungi kan happy na to nalumsak dia.
Would you warm up this baby food, please?
Do you take credit cards?
Karik ka na sango diam.
Do you take credit cards?
May I have some bread, please?
Happy na to pomo po kat ka nga te diam.
May I have some bread, please?
Is tip included?
Tip apa samo.
Is tip included?
Thank you. That was very good.
Lungdam ha limang.
Thank you. That was very good.